Hey guys, today we are next to Audi Q3 and I'm going to show you how to replace bulbs in this light assembly, the lower one with the reverse light, and here I'm going to replace aftermarket LEDs with original bulb because those LEDs are throwing an error code. So what you need to do to remove this light assembly is first pry this cover and then use a Phillips screwdriver to remove a single screw that holds this assembly. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and something to pry this out, like a prying tool. And now I'm going to use those suction cups. This will be very helpful to grab the light assembly and pull it out. You need to do it on a slight angle like this to the inner side, so it will slide out from this locking pin over here, or on this positioning pin. And once it's out, you can disconnect the connector or just access the bulbs. Each one has its own holder over here. Remember to clean the bulbs, you don't want to leave greasy stains on them. And now you just need to insert it back over here and you are done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.